Welcome in. Okay, we're going to be doing a little bit of Tunisian with the wool that I have in front of me. If it does good, please give a thumbs up, and down below in the subscribe button, please. Okay, so these are just my 2 scrap yarns, and I have a Susan Bates 5mm just here. It's not a Tunisian hook, nope, it's a standard one, but I'm not doing anything lengthy. It's just a sample just to show you guys. Now, preparation is key. So make a slip knot in your second colour and put it aside for the moment. Now, let's take your main colour and slip knot, and get that on your hook. And we will be doing standard Tunisian just for the first little bit, but you'll see. If you don't know how to do Tunisian entrelac, I will link my tutorial down below, but I'm going to do a chain of 12 just as a sample for you guys. Obviously you make your project as big or as small as you wish it to be, but for this little samplet I'll do 12 and try and keep being away from the wool. Okay, there's my chain, 12 all done. Now, first stitch, yarn over, pull through and leave it on your hook. Into the chain, yarn over, pull through, leave it on your hook, and so on all the way along. So go into each chain space, yarn over, pull through, but leave. Right. Oops. Some of these I did so tight, very, very stupidly. But anyway, you'll still get to see what's going on. Sorry. Okay. So they're all on my hook, as you can see, all my little loops, and now we need our second colour. So take your slip knot that you made earlier and put it over your hook. Okay, so with this little slip knot we are now going to pass it through the first 2 loops on our hook, and then we shall get the tails out of the way and we will yarn over and pull through new colour, old colour, just one of each. So yarn over, pull through the new colour and the old colour, one of each. So that'd be 2 loops that you're pulling through. There's the first, there's the second, and we're through. Yarn over, pull through the new and the old, yarn over, new and old, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and lastly with the last 2 on our hook, pull through both so you have 1 left on your hook. Ta-da! Let's get some more yarn over here. So there's your first pass. Okay, now keep that same colour on your hook and just go under the loops of your old colour. Yarn over, pull through 1, through the loop, and make sure you keep your loops on your hook. Okay, so this is still with the I'm getting all tangled here. Under the old colour, yarn over with the new, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1. Through, yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1, and lastly yarn over and pull through 1 again. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there we have the new colour definitely in. But now I'm going to go back to the old colour. So here's the old colour. That's what I'm going to concentrate on. Keep back the others. Yarn over and pull through 2. Always pull through 2 on the start. Yarn over just that one and that one. Just those 2. The old and the new. One of each colour, pull through. One of each, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 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 Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Ooh, ooh. Yarn over, pull through 2. Ta-da! And there we have the next look. Okay, and now we're going back again. So find your loop, through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Keep those loops on your hook. It's so tempting to take it off your hook, but you need to leave it on. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through, all the way to the end. Okay, and there we have that look. Sorry about that, apologies. Okay, so I'm going back with the same colour that I've just come forward with because I want to show you something. A slight variation, and to show you what happens when you just go through 1 from the start. You see, you end up with a chain which isn't joined to anything. So that's going up, and actually you want to go across. So this is why you need to start the coming back with taking 2 off. Otherwise you end up going vertically, which isn't what we're doing. So still want to show you something else. So let's get to the other end. Remember, you're going through 2 loops at a time. Always 2 loops. Going back. Go through 2. Go through 2. And go through your last 2. And there we have more solid colour. Right, let's go through for our final We'll go all the way to the end, just to show you the more solid colour with that pattern change below. Can never work out which way is best to crochet Tunisian. I always go into the knife grip, but I don't find it comfortable. But using pencil hold doing this, it's not great. For me, it's not great. Let's make sure I get that last one and over. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going with the blue and going through 2, and this is the last pass. Go through 2, yarn over, 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 go through 2, all the way back, so that you're only left with the one loop on your hook. And there we have our two-tone Tunisian, you see. So this will show you the solid blue at the top, so you can see how it works. I just get to the end here, and then I'll let you take a proper look. Oh. And that last one. Okay, and there we have it. All done. What do you think? Bad thing with this is it's gonna curl, isn't it? There's the back. Looks knitted. And on the front, oh, it's not going to stay for me. It's not going to stay flat. Maybe if I just like hold it for you, you can see it. Maybe. There we go. Ta-da! Thumbs up if it helped in any way, if you liked it. Take care and I'll see you next time.